everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. I have been conversing with people that have left comments, and I really truly appreciate you reaching out to me. This is going to be making little collages, little elements for whatever you want to do with them. You could add them to a larger collage. You could use them in a junk journal. You can frame them. You can make them into bookmarks. You can sell them, attach them to a canvas, cover them with gloss or matte medium, and make them into little trinkets that people can purchase as a gift. One thing I've noticed is that people really like adding words. When I add words, it just seems to make such a difference. And I have several packs of Tim Holtz words. This one is different sentences and little phrases, which I just love using. And then so is this one. This one is small talk. When you are selling these, or if you gift them to someone, they just always like the words. So I have all different pieces in my little Mary Engelbright tin. I have put all of the faces that I've cut out so far. Little pieces, bigger pieces for backgrounds. These are all just things that are not, they're not actually something that you could use on its own. You want to add something to it. These, for instance, already have decorations on them, and you can add to these. And then in my tin, I've just stopped going through everything. I got tired of going through everything. So this is a mishmash of all different things that I've cut out over time, or I purchased from Tim Holtz, leftovers from different journals that I've made in the past. These I've just had forever. They're from magazines. This is also a label from an actual can of applesauce. I haven't used them, so I really need to start making some cute things. And if you know me at all, you know that I love little bowls and little dishes. I love little things. But when I go thrifting, I find these little plates and little bowls, and I just love them. So I have a pile of them here on my desk now that I'm set for 6 months to enjoy displaying while I'm playing. So let's make something. We're going to start with one of the backgrounds, and I'm just going to grab any of them. This one is a leftover piece of wallpaper, digital, from the Graphics Fairy. And now I just start playing, and I just start adding things from my little bowls. I just try to go with a theme. Some more roses. I'm also going to add faces. These are just pieces of fabric, little bits and pieces. And then I also have all the die cuts that I cut out before I left the house. Let's play, okay? Let's play. Simple. A background piece, a piece of ephemera, and a face. So we'll start with that and move on from there. Very simple. So here's one. I have this background piece. This and a face. Now I'm thinking, should it have two faces to tell the story? I think I'm gonna do two because I think it tells more of the story. Simple, simple, simple. This is from a postcard, a vintage postcard. Piece of ephemera. Piece or two sometimes, you know, it's just hard to decide. That's pretty. Do this one maybe instead of a face. What do you think? Why not? Jelly plate prints. It's on the cover of a magazine though. Just from the video where I talk about making your own substrate. Okay, so I turn the blue that way, the flowers this way, and let's glue. Should we put a face? I don't know. I've got these little round faces. I love it. It's so fun to just, it's you're telling like a little story. See, you just add this little face here. And she's just a teeny tiny accent. Okay, guess check. Now this already tells a little story because it's talking about food. A little tray. Oh, isn't she cute? I like to, you know, incorporate different shapes as well as torn or cut images. That's cute, but it's all rectangular, so I want to add something a little different. So what if we add a circle? That's kind of a pretty shape. That could look really cute, right? So we have the torn edge over the brown. That looks cool. I like it. So this is using what I have. I bought some of these packets. You know, when you're online and you see something and then you look it up and the next thing you know, you're like, oh, those are cool. And I'm just going to treat myself and I'm going to buy myself some. And so they sat in a pack forever, it seemed. And now that I'm in the RV and I have this little space, and we start working on Monday, I'm cooking some soup. I have chicken out to grill tonight. So we'll have soup for more than one day. I think I like that. I like the way the circles look, so. Just having fun, just playing around, trying different things. So if you have some little tiny pieces of stuff like this, you know, from a coffee holder thingy, and you know, you can do all kinds of things. I'm getting through some things and I'm turning them into useful things. This one we added the bow to already. This one also. And look how cute. You can even layer them. You can layer them. Okay, so let's try another one. Look how cute this is looking. I save all my tiny pieces in a bowl. Of course, see, I've already created 3 little pieces this time. About a butterfly right there. That could be cute. I'm gonna go ahead and distress all these edges. Maybe let's try some of this gold. Usually I would wet these ahead of time, but this is kind of a last minute decision, so let's just add some to this butterfly. Make him glittery, glitzy. Why not? Just enough, don't want too much. Let's see, this one's next. I think I'm gonna just add this piece of paper. Yeah, there's other things you can add as well. Like I said, I have other things. They are in boxes. These are very flat. If I wanted to add, I could add buttons. This would be a good one to add some stitching to. Okay, so we added a piece of this. That's really not enough for me. I'm just gonna add a piece of cloth to it. Just a little bit of cloth. Nope, 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 nope. Where's that ribbon? Yeah. This stuff is so pretty, isn't it? I don't want to waste it. Now I'm starting to feel possessive of things. Maybe some cheesecloth. Pink bow. No. Black lace. No, that's so pretty. See what it is? It's just an edge off of a, I cut it off the edge of a napkin or something. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. And that's a circle. You can add a circle. Just changes the entire look of this. What I use is a set of large circle stencils. Let me see if I can show them to you. They're made by Mr. Pen. Just to have these when I don't have enough punches for shapes. Other than that, you can use whatever. Like I showed before, here's a sheet of music that I got from the Graphics Fairy, and you could combine a couple or one like that. Look at that. So there are ways to make them larger. This is a bag I saved from a restaurant a long time ago, and it's really fun because this says it's 100% green. I think that's really funny. But you know, you can add things to this as well, and it becomes a pocket. You know, something like that. Really cute. This is an old card that I ripped things off of. So here is something you could add something vintage to. This has more color, so you'd want to add something that had color. Maybe this one with the roses. How cute is that? There, I'll cover up the ripped stuff. So have fun, pull out your stuff, and if you're like me, set it up so that you enjoy being here.